Yo, what up guys, Unfiltered F Ari Gold. Okay, so let's go ahead and check this out. So let's do this. I love the unboxing of anything from Adidas because it's just always fun. Their stuff is really cool and it's fresh. It's awesome. This is a tamper evident tape. So if somebody ever claims that their stuff was not there, it's evidence. It's kind of cool, safe and secure. Good thing that they did that, so they will not have any asshole scammers out there. Okay, so ready for this? Wow, this is really nice. I already see it. So, okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, good. Okay, so the first and foremost, it's this thing called Tiro pants. It's very famous label from Adidas. It's called Tiro. I'm gonna put this away so I'm not kind of one. It's a Tiro pants, which means it's a track pants, and I got many colors. First one I want to show you guys. Wow, so beautiful. It's a red. I'm gonna like demo it later on, but this is just unboxing. So it's a red. It's kind of a dark maroon red, I believe. That's the best color to describe. Size small. It has the stripes on. It's kind of like has spots of gray, and it literally, the camera shows pretty much everything. And that's pretty much this for this pants. It's the red with white, with kind of, it's like gray stripes. It's not white, it's gray. It's like very light gray stripes with red. It's beautiful. And I'm going to demo this later on, so I'll show you guys when I'm actually wearing them and demoing them like my other clothes that I do. And let's go to the next color. This is first pants one. Sometimes I forget to breathe, and that's a really big issue. Okay, wow. Okay, so next stuff is my mom's stuff. Actually, I got it from my mom. But I guess I'll just show this. I guess sure. This is my mom's stuff that I got for her. It's a top, gray with white stripes. I don't open it because I'm gonna give it to her for her Christmas gift because her birthday. I got an iPhone 10, so but she wants this so bad. I may even give it to her tonight, so we'll see. So yeah, this is a medium size. It was $55, but the discount was $27, so we got it for $27. It's a really good deal. So, and oh, by the way, I didn't even talk about this. This usually goes for $50, but I got it for $25, which is a really, no, $23, which is a really hella good deal. $23. It used to be $50. Great bargain. $55, and I got it for $27, and it's a really warm, comfy one. It looks like a really good material. Okay, so that's two. This is going to my mom. I'm gonna put it here so I'll not forget. And then the next one is also from my mom. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so happy because she loves this material. It's like it's 100% cotton. It's really cool. This is pretty much the bottom of that. It's Adidas. Again, right here you see Adidas, and the straps is white. This one is size large because she wanted a bigger size, so it'll be more comfortable for the bottoms, you know. So I got her this for her Christmas / birthday. It's like literally similar. It's 20 days away from each other, so right. And yeah, and so that's that for my mom. That on the demo because it's my mom's, so obviously. Okay, this is gonna like, it's super fucking beautiful. I almost didn't get this, and I'm glad I did because it's such a beautiful color. It's white and gray camo, digital camo with black Adidas stripes. Such a beautiful color. It's like, and this I will also demo, so expect a demo video dropping in the next few days, and it's gonna be epic. It's gonna be beautiful. So that's not, and this is actually a tapered fit, which is really cool. I didn't know it was a tapered fit, which is really awesome. Tapered fit means actually it's like really tight, kind of like the ones that you see me wear, the red ones, and with the black with the red stripes. The tapered means just like it's literally like on you, just grabs your body, which is awesome. It looks really cool and literally tight, like clutch. Alright, so that was that. Next one, oh my god, this one is such a beautiful color. This one, it doesn't have the camo, it's red, it's due to red. I was gonna buy two of this, but I just bought one in case to see how it feels, you know. I didn't want to buy two and then say, hey, why is this feeling weird? But this is also, the Tiro is $50, but I got it for 23. And actually this one I got it for, yeah, 25, no 25, sorry. This is, and it has a little cool, so instead of the strap, it has like the NMJs, it has all the cool legs on it. I don't know what it's called, but it's the it's in different languages saying Adidas, or like it's in different languages saying through straps. So it's in Japanese, it's in German, I believe, and it's in US. Yeah. So that's that I got, and I'm also done with this too. So I expect that coming soon. And then I got this amazing, beautiful. Wow, this is such a beautiful color. I'm not sure what color this is. This is the. Doesn't say a color. But I bought a few of these, so I'm not sure which one this is. But it's really. I think it's the green one. So it's green camo with orange stripe, which is really cool. This was $45, but I got it for $25, which is really, really good. Cool deal. This was like 40% off because it's so beautiful. Such a beautiful one. And the material feels really, really cool from the outside. So I'll also demo this too as well. So and then let's see. Now we're going to open the second box. I'm going to put this back in here so I can demo them later and then wear them. I literally got every single camo that they had on the website because it was just so beautiful. I love camo. Okay, so now we're going to the next box. This box is probably going to have my hoodie and probably another camo pants. Make sure I don't scratch my table. It's too beautiful to scratch. Okay. Again, this has a tapered evidence tape. Wow, so beautiful, guys. I just saw it right now. I didn't want to spoil it, but that reaction was real. Just think it's a little bit more cutting. Okay, we good. Okay. Wow, this was $70, but I got it for $45. So I paid for $45 for it. So which is really beautiful. Okay, but before I show you this, I'm going to show you the last time that I bought it. Actually, there's one more pants I have a really good feeling of, but we'll see. This is charcoal gray with white stripes, which is really beautiful. Charcoal gray with white stripes, camouflage, digital camouflage with charcoal gray and white stripes. So it is stripes, and this is $45. I got it for $25, which is good for 40% off. And I'll also show you guys this when I do wear them. And this one actually go all the way down. They're not like those short ones, so I'm looking forward to it because I have already a lot of the short cut ones. This is a kind of a newer edition, which is cool. Kind of like the old classic one, you know? But it's still a soccer pants, that's the good. And the reason why it's a football soccer pants, the reason why I get this, because I like the way they feel. They're like tapered and they actually stick to your body. They're not loose and just like baggy, you know? I like baggy. So that's that. Let me look at this. And this is the hoodie with the sleeves are camouflaged. You can't really see it because it's, I don't know if you can see it, like maybe here, camouflage. This part because it literally the sleeves are camouflaged. The actual thing is gray. It's a beautiful color. It has a big Adidas in the front. Looks like a very warm, very comfortable like material. I'm going to actually unbox this and also I'm also gonna like wear this and demo this as well. So look forward for that. And that'll be all, guys. That'll be all for Adidas. Oh, by the way, if you wonder what this is called, it's the model number is ED6977 and it's called Camo OTH Hoodie. Carbon. This is the carbon sweatshirt. Carbon. So it's the carbon model cut, I guess. Yeah. That's about it, guys. Thanks for the watch and for the love. This is Unfiltered F, Ari Gold, and I can't wait to put more videos out. And I'm just super excited about 2020 coming up. I'm back to YouTube. I kind of took a little break because something happened, personal stuff. I'll tell you guys a little later on my other channel. But just had to kind of take a break because I didn't have the flow of the energy to produce. And I like to give you guys flow, good energy, so you guys can actually feel what I'm feeling when I'm demoing anything. So it wouldn't be like a very cold, very like kind of cold, like a cold video, because YouTube is about watching things that inspire you, that make you happy, not that make you sad. That's just my point. That's just my rule, my philosophy about watching videos. If something is sad, I don't even want to watch it. I just want to just bounce to the next one. And that's about it. And like always, stay vibey. That was kind of like from my other channel. Stay vibey, stay cool, stay warm. It's winter, it's beautiful. The holidays are coming up. And like always, be the F and not the F, because you are worth it. Peace.